Welcome to the G45 office. In this video, I'm going to show you a sneak peek into our Volume 3 monthly kits for 2020. As you might already know, we have two kits that go out each month. The first one is our Club G45. It's about a $50 value every month, and inside you get an intermediate project. It's going to be really fun to learn how to create, and you're going to learn a lot of new techniques every month, as well as a smaller, fun little make and take project showing you another technique as well. So for this month in Club G45, we are going to be creating from scratch using some of our chipboard sheets, this rectangle explosion box. So it has this cute little lid that pops off. You can see it's beautifully decorated as well. And then once you open that up, you get this beautiful explosion with different layers of fun places to add your photos and journaling. And then in the center, we'll be creating a hidden hinge along with this fun waterfall element. So in this mini album, there's a total of 32 places where you can add your photos and lots of opportunities for journaling and adding some fun little keepsakes in this explosion box as well. So that tutorial you want to be sure to go ahead and jump over to do. You'll be able to find the links for this tutorial on how to teach how to do this in the description below. And then also for Volume 3, we'll be teaching you how to create these super cute little origami envelopes. So just with some leftover papers that you have, it's a great way to show you how to add some spice to your gift giving. So this little envelope is a perfect size for a gift card, as you can see. And then you can also unfold it to add even more photos, and you could put a little letter in here as well, which would be such a great and easy little gift idea. And then we'll also be creating another origami envelope as well. And both of these projects have been brought to us by the amazing Annette Green this month. And for the Club G45 Volume 3 kit, if you're a subscriber, what you're going to be getting in the mail this month is this kit, but you can also go ahead and buy the kit or hop on over to our website, G45papers.com, to subscribe as well. And you're going to get this Birdsong Deluxe Collector's Edition. And there you get 24 double-sided sheets, as well as a chipboard and two different sticker sheets. So it's a lot of fun to work with, and you're going to have lots of embellishments that you can add into your projects as well. And then you'll also be getting our G45 Rose Bouquet, along with our Craft 12x12 chipboard sheets. These are a nice medium weight 32 point sheets, and you get 10 of those in there, along with this full color printable project sheet. So you can hop on over to our website, G45papers.com, and then hit the inspiration tab, and down at the bottom there's project sheets, and that's where you can find all of our different project sheets for our clubs, and you can print those out so you can follow along, but they do come when you order the kit as well. And then for our G45 card club this month, we have an exclusive Birdsong 8x8 papers. So you get 24 of those in there as well. And the only way you can get these 8x8s is in our card kit. So it's a really fun little bonus for joining our club. You're also going to get some nice heavy duty craft card bases and envelopes. You're going to get 6 of each in that pack, along with our architecture washi tape in gold gloss, and our decorative keyholes, and of course another one of these really great, easy to follow project sheets. And then this month, with these goodies, Ginger Ropp has created some gorgeous center step cards. So I'll be teaching you how to create 3 different unique center step cards, showcasing how to really maximize the washi tape, and then how to use these keyholes in a really fun way as well. So you can also find the tutorial for that in the description below. So go ahead, grab your supplies, and let's start creating.